You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this sound. How do you say this sound when it's used in the IPA in phonetics? When you see this written, this sound corresponds to the sound ah, ah, a wide open and rather long ah sound, ah. And now you know, like and subscribe if you like learning more about pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.